Hi guys, welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we are going to take a look at EGLD. Before we begin this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed to the channel. And I will leave a link in the comment section below to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily crypto market updates, and also a link to our website where you can check out the results of our premium signal service. So looking at EGLD, formerly Elrond, but it's now rebranded as Multiversx, and the developers have done this to shift the focus to the metaverse. We can see that in this article here from cointelegraph.com, and they now have incorporated 3 metaverse products: XFabric, XPortal and XWorlds. But we are going to take a look at the chart, the technical analysis side of it. So first of all, I will take a look here at the weekly chart, and we can see that perhaps more so than other altcoins, this has seen a really strong sell-off. So the week that sort of Bitcoin hit its highs, end of November, it was trading around the $550 level, and we're now down sort of 95% down on those levels, trading in the $33 zone now. And in my opinion, we're not that far off of an area which would be potentially good for longer term accumulation, or at least a medium term swing. And that's this weekly demand area. So this was the end of 2020. It was trading down at these levels. And this is $30 down to around $21 would be a good place to look for a bounce, or at least, like I said, a medium term move to the upside. We can see that a couple of weeks ago, the price lost the $40 level for the first time again since the end of 2020, and the moment it lost that, it sort of lost it pretty quickly and is headed quickly down towards $30. So we will face resistance if it does move up from here. $40 is definitely a level to watch out for resistance on the weekly chart. But I'm also going to take a look at the 12-hour chart, and there seems to be a few ways you could trade this. We can see now we are just moving in this channel for sort of the last week or two, and the first way obviously simply would be to short the test of this trend line here, the upper trend line, which is the resistance, or long a retest of the lower trend line, which is the support. So just shorting and longing, these don't give us huge moves, but this is just how the market is over the last couple of weeks, especially in holiday season. We're not getting the big moves, but we are definitely getting nice bounces in either direction within a range. So we can simply play this channel until it's broken. So the other way to play it would be on a breakout or a breakdown of this. So if we saw a breakout above this resistance here, you could look to long the retest. If this plays out, then an area you could look to long to, or particularly take a swing to, is this 12-hour supply here. Between $38.50 and $39.50, there's a completely fresh 12-hour supply. So it's very likely on the first attempt this rejects and we see a sell-off and a move back to the downside. Again, that would also be a good place to position short. If we break down from this channel, then you could look to take a short. And what you would need to do is you would wait for the breakdown and a bearish retest of this. On the rejection here, you can look to short down, and my targets here would be $30 or even swing down towards $20, where we can look to accumulate for the longer term. I hope this analysis helps, guys, and be interested in the comments to find out your thoughts on EGLD, specifically the rebrand, and if this is a coin you are holding for the long term. And I will see you on next week's video in 2023.